Hi, welcome to ToK today. If you don't know me, I'm Daniel. I just wanted to take this opportunity to talk about the joint moderation of the ToK exhibition work that I have been doing with a few schools over the last few weeks. So this is something which has really started this year. I only did this with one school last year, but a number of schools have got in touch with me this year, quite a few, and I've been doing joint moderation of the exhibition with their teachers. Now, typically this is a situation where the teachers are new to ToK, they've been on the Cat 1, the Cat 2 training, and they just feel that they need a bit more extra support with the moderation of their exhibitions. And it's something that I enjoy doing, so I'm very happy to do it with them. Let me just tell you a little bit about how it works and then a little bit of the benefits of it, just in case you're a teacher in a school who also might be interested in hiring me to do some joint moderation with you. So first of all, if the teachers are entirely new to ToK and they feel that they need a bit more specific work on how to assess the exhibition, I start with a 1-hour workshop on how to assess the ToK exhibition. And I look at the framework that IB have put together, that they've shared in their subject reports, that I use to assess the exhibition commentaries, a 4-step framework. And then the school will share their commentaries with me, all of the commentaries, and separately the teachers at the school and myself will assess the commentaries using that IB framework. And I will write 2 or 3 sentences about each exhibition commentary explaining why I've given the marks that I have. And then we come together, the teachers at the school and myself, in a video call, and I share my marks with the teachers and my 2 to 3 sentence comment on each exhibition commentary, and the teachers share their marks, and where there are discrepancies, we discuss why there might be discrepancies, and where we all match, then we feel very happy that all of our thinking is aligned. Let's hope that the moderator's thinking is also aligned in the same way. So typically it takes about an hour to look at 6 to 8 commentaries. So if you've got 12 students, it's about 2 hours of work, of online work. So what are the benefits of this? Well, if you have a team of ToK teachers in your school, moderation is going to be important anyway, and I'm just another voice in that moderation process. I always say that consistency in the marking of the ToK exhibition is just as important as accuracy. Because if you send your sample off and it's inconsistently assessed, then IB might call the whole cohort and remark the whole cohort, or else your moderation might be more severe just because it's inconsistently assessed. Now, if it's consistently assessed, but IB feel that you've overmarked or you've undermarked, then you might just get squeezed at one end or the other, or squeezed at both ends, which is not as bad as a drastic moderation or the whole cohort being remarked by IB. If you can get consistency and accuracy, then great, and you won't get any moderation. And 66% of schools don't get any moderation, and that's really great. So that's the first benefit, is that it sort of increases consistency for the team of teachers. Now, if you don't have a team of teachers, if you're the only teacher in the school who's assessing the exhibition, you're just on your own there doing your best as you can, then I'm a neutral arbiter, a neutral person that you can bounce ideas off, that you can develop your understanding with, and give you some confidence, hopefully, in the marks that you were given. I'll just say at this point, if you're in a city where there are a number of IB schools and there's a ToK teachers network, then really do join that teachers network, because the teachers network, I've always found them to be super useful, super helpful when it comes to assessment and everything else. Just get involved in your local ToK teachers network. I was involved in the Hong Kong one and in the Bangkok teachers network. Big shout out to both of those teachers networks. They were absolutely great. If you're in a city where there are a number of IB schools, and you don't have a ToK Teachers Network, then set one up. It's a really, really useful way of helping across the, across the schools. If you don't have a teachers network and you don't want to set one up, then I'm happy to work with you. Okay, so that's it then on the ToK Exhibition joint moderation service that I offer. If you're interested in it, then contact me at daniel@toktoday.com and just email me, or do the messenger thing on the Facebook Messenger website-y thing icon on the website. Get in touch with me and I'm very, very happy to help. Have a great day. Stay ToKtastic. Bye.